Sarma Automazioni was founded in 1985. Over the previous decade, since 1975, the men behind the company had built up a wealth of experience with pneumatic systems, systems for selection and orientation with vibrating bases, and flexible assembly systems. In 1986, Sarma produced the first line ever in the electrotool sector for assembling a lapping machine. Since then, the company has come a long way and today can design a wide range of ready-to-use assembly systems. And Sarma does that by using independent timing pallets, manual positions to MTM standards of ergonomics, automatic machines, iron hands, and robot-controlled workstations. The highly qualified staff at Sarma are headed by Chairman Roberto Giusti. Teamwork is the winning card at Sarma, because teamwork combines individual talent, inclination, and intuition with expertise and innovation for the company to meet the ever-changing challenges of the market with the highest levels of creativity. Layout design, feasibility, and ergonomic studies for manual position. Group set design for automation and mechanization with AutoCAD 14 with Genius and mechanical desktop supports. Deciding production details. Estimate for basic costs of project and production planning. PC/PLC programming is done in two independent positions. The first programming phase creates the operating cyclogram. The cyclogram graphics show the individual stages and hence the number of electric inputs and outputs needed to use and control hardware and software. The station governing software is created in parallel by cabling the onboard system with the aid of Festo FST application programs or other programs for the specifications needed. This is the graphics section handling all the documentation on manuals for CE standard auto certification and the entire Sarma archive. Sarma is based on a system combining a program for mechanical base parts made of anodized aluminium sections with a program for independent timing pallet transport systems produced and developed in-house and suitable for creating flexible assembly and working lines. The pallet acts as transport and feeder and facilitates assembly and manual position working. Here are just some of the pallets produced by Sarma Automazioni. Checking blower assembly. Closing scooter finishing. Converter. Vapor device. Hydraulic pump. Water pump. Sarma is particularly proud of the scooter assembly line made for the Motori Minarelli company in 1993. What makes it special is that it was created in stages corresponding to manufacturing, testing, and quality control of the product all in real time, and any innovative changes were made when and where needed, as they happened. There are actually two main interrelated lines here in the following order: closing line, finishing line, and covering and startup line. With valuable assistance from the Minarelli technical staff, Sarma developed a system with 3 different pallets, each for one of these 3 assembly phases. The production process starts with the manual positions, Their properly balanced timing and methods makes them the strong point of the line. Then came the introduction of the automations, the robot-controlled workstations, the mechanizations, and the control systems currently operating online. This method has enabled emergency positions to be inserted. These function when the automatic station needs repairs or routine maintenance, yet do not hinder or halt production. The versatility of Sarma Automazioni goes beyond assembly lines, with a program for elements for machine bases made of calibrated, extruded, anodized aluminium, and a series of accessories for building load-bearing and complex structures in various sectors. For example, automatic packaging machines, wood, pharmaceuticals, accident protection, architecture for furnishing, shelving, suction plants, and conditioning plants. In all these cases, the program does away with painting, welding, drilling, milling, and any other such accessory processes. Assistance and control are fundamental to production lines. Sarma knows speed and efficiency are vital, which is why the company's new systems enabled the PLCs to be connected via a fieldbus by-wire network to a supervisor IPC. This stores the data and information on the machine and production, which will be used in diagnosis and preventive maintenance. If assistance and control are fundamental to the creation of production lines, safety is even more so, and dictates whether a project is feasible or not. This is why Sarma carries out repairs and builds accident prevention devices in line with UE standards. Particular care is taken to ensure that equipment and parts are positioned so that they do not scratch or otherwise injure personnel operating them. At Sarma, machines are designed and built to ensure the very highest levels of reliability and safety.